Welcome to a deep dive into AI in marketing.
Glad to be here.
Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is, well, fundamentally changing how companies connect with customers.
Yeah, it's really shifting marketing, moving it away from just gut feelings.
Right, towards something more like a data-driven science. Our sources are packed with insights on this.
And this session, it really distills those core ideas, helps you understand the profound why AI in marketing truly matters now.
Think of it as a shortcut to getting genuinely well-informed.
Exactly.
So, at its core, AI marketing uses powerful stuff. Machine learning, natural language processing, predictive analytics, too.
Right. Basically, AI that understands language, sees complex patterns, and predicts what people might do next.
All to build these incredibly detailed customer profiles.
It's about moving marketing from intuition, like you said, to precise data-driven strategy.
What's really fascinating, I think, is how it delivers these key benefits.
Definitely. There are three crucial ones. First up, personalization. AI goes way beyond just broad segments. It creates micro-segments of one.
You mean?
Meaning, imagine a shopping site completely changing its layout, its product suggestions, the second you land on it, based on your very latest search, maybe, not just old purchases.
Wow. So tailoring everything right down to the individual.
Precisely. Every message, every recommendation.
Okay, that's powerful for the customer experience. But what about for the marketer? What else does AI bring?
Good question. That brings us to efficiency.
Right.
AI automates really complex decisions. Think optimizing ad bids in programmatic advertising.
Buying ad space automatically, yeah.
Exactly. AI does that 247.
Yeah.
And it delivers insights in hours, maybe days, that would take human analysts weeks or months.
So you can test and iterate strategies super fast, respond to the market almost instantly.
That's the agility it brings, true agility.
And the third point, the sheer scale.
Yeah, the scale is just mind-boggling, really. Scalability.
How so?
Well, traditional marketing struggles to personalize when you're dealing with huge numbers, but AI systems, they can manage millions of unique customer profiles all at once.
Millions.
And they're constantly learning, adapting to new info, even across global markets, different cultures. It keeps things consistent but relevant everywhere.
Okay, theory is one thing, but where does this actually play out? Are brands really seeing results?
Oh, absolutely. If we connect this to the bigger picture, AI is everywhere. Take AI-driven recommendations. Netflix is the classic example.
Right, their suggestions.
Their algorithm drives a staggering 80% of what people watch. 80%.
That's huge. How?
It uses over 2,000 taste groups. Super specific categories for hyper-personalization. It looks at everything, viewing history, even like which movie posters you click on.
Incredible precision. And it's not just entertainment, is it?
No, not at all. Think about conversational AI chatbots.
Like customer service bots.
Exactly, but smarter. Sephora's chatbot, for instance, handles over 70% of their customer inquiries.
70%.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And it gives personalized beauty advice, can analyze skin from photos, offers makeup tutorials. It really bridges that online-offline gap, makes it feel personal.
What about creating the actual ads and content?
That's another big area, content creation. Coca-Cola, for example, uses AI to generate thousands of ad variations.
Thousands.
Yep. Adapting them for cultural nuances in different markets. And the interesting part, they've seen engagement rates jump 27% higher compared to their usual content.
So scale and relevance.
Exactly. Brand consistency, but highly relevant.
Okay, this level of power, though, it inevitably brings up some pretty critical questions, doesn't it? There are challenges.
Oh, definitely. This raises a really important question around data privacy.
Yeah. Regulations like GDPR, CCPA.
Right, those strict rules on handling personal data. They create challenges around consent, transparency, and the whole black box problem with some AI.
Meaning it's hard to know why the AI made a certain decision.
Precisely. Which makes things like the right to explanation for individuals really complicated.
And then there's that ongoing debate. Human creativity versus the machine. Can AI really replace that spark?
It's a key point. Human creativity versus AI. If you rely too much on AI, you risk getting, well, homogenized content. Stuff that lacks real human emotion.
Because it learns from what already exists.
Right. It can become derivative. The key really is a hybrid approach. Humans lead on strategy, on the core creative ideas. AI helps with insights, optimization. It's a tool, not a replacement.
And a really crucial point about fairness.
Hugely important. Bias in algorithms. AI isn't inherently biased, but it learns from data. And if that data reflects historical biases or inequalities,
The AI learns and repeats
it
it.
can actually amplify them. So mitigating that needs diverse data sets, constant auditing, checking for bias throughout the AI's development and use. It's ongoing work.
And looking ahead, things get even wilder, right? Thinking about AI-powered virtual influencers like Lum Kella
Yeah, millions of followers promoting real brands.
and the potential for hyper-realistic deepfake marketing. The opportunities are there, but the risks.
Big risks. These technologies really blurred the lines between real and generated. Huge questions about authenticity, about trust. It's definitely a new frontier.
It absolutely is. How do brands even navigate that? Maintaining trust when reality itself feels malleable.
It's a profound challenge.
So this deep dive really shows AI in marketing isn't just a tool, it's a fundamental shift. It demands this really thoughtful balance, doesn't it, between the tech power and, well, crucial human oversight.
Absolutely. And maybe the thing to consider is how brands will navigate that ethical landscape. As AI gets woven even deeper into our digital lives, shaping what we see, what we buy, what responsibilities will they ultimately have to ensure fairness, transparency, especially when the very idea of authenticity gets blurry?